morning, students. In this lecture, I am going to solve problems on trigonometry function, students. What, students? Trigonometry function. Write down, students. Solve dou square z by dou x square minus 2 dou square z by dou x dou y, that is equal to sin x cos 2y. Sin x cos 2y. Now what is solution, students? Solution. What is complete solution? That is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. What, students? Complete solution is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Now complementary function. Complementary function. Now let us symbolic form, students. Symbolic form. Symbolic form. What is symbolic form, students? Capital D is equal to dou by dou x and d dash is equal to dou by dou y, students. D is equal to dou by dou x and d dash is equal to dou by dou y. Now here dou square z by dou x square, students. You get here d square minus 2 into dou z by dou x, students, d. Dou z by dou y, students, d dash into z, that is equal to sin x cos 2y. Sin x cos 2y. Now see, students, at the right hand side, sin x cos 2y, students. Sin x cos 2y. Now when I find a particular integral, I don't have any form, those four cases, students. We have only sin x plus by or cos x plus by. So I want to convert this function into sin ax plus by or cos ax plus by, students. So that I am using the formula. Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. What formula, students? That is equal to sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b, students. So what is missing term here, students? 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 and divided with 2. So multiply 2 by 2, students. Now this can be written as, that is equal to 1 by 2 into, what is a here, students? X. B is 2y. So bracket sin a plus b, so x plus 2y plus sin a minus b, students, so x minus 2y, bracket close. What is left hand side, students? D square minus 2d d dash into z. Now you find the complementary function, students. What is next step, students? Here auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? D square minus 2d d dash, that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. Now put d is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1, students. So we get here m square minus 2m, that is equal to 0. Taking common m, students, we get here m minus 2, that is equal to 0. That implies m is equal, students, 0 and m is equal to 2. 0 comma 2. Therefore complementary function. What is complementary function, students? f1 of y plus, what is m1, students? 0. So 0 into x plus f2 of y plus m2. m2 is 2 here, so 2x. This is the complementary function. Now particular integral, students. Particular integral. What is particular integral, students? 1 by d square minus 2d d dash into 1 by 2 bracket sin x plus 2y plus sin x minus 2y. That is equal to, just multiply, students, here 1 by d square minus 2d d dash into 1 by 2 sin x plus 2y plus 1 by d square minus 2d d dash into 1 by 2 sine x minus 2y students, x minus 2y. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into d plus d square by students x quotient, so minus 1 square. So we get here 1 by minus 1 square. What students here? Minus 1 square, not minus 1 whole square, minus 1 square. Right. Minus 2 into minus 1 into d dash is 2 students, so 2 into sine x plus 2y plus 1 divided by, again here also we have 1 by 2 students, we write 1 by 2. So d square students, d square means minus 1 square minus 2 into d is 1 minus 1, d dash is minus 2 students into sine x minus 2y, sine x minus 2y. So that is equal to, we get here minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1 3, 3 into 2 6, 1 by 6 sine x plus 2y plus 1 by, come on time students here, minus into minus plus, again minus, 2 2s are 4, minus 1 minus 5. So get here minus 10 students. 1 2 in 5 into 2 get 10, so minus 10 sine x minus 2y, which is required particular integral of given problem. So the complete solution students, complete solution, z is equal to what is complementary functions here? f1 of y plus 0 into x plus f2 of y plus 2x plus 1 by 6 sine x plus y, x plus 2y minus 1 by 10 sine x minus 2y, which is required solution of given problem. Now in this problem we learn students, what we learn here, whenever we given sin x cos 2y, we convert into either sin x plus by or cos ax plus by students. Thereby we are applying the formula. That is the logic in this problem students. Right. Let us see the another problem students. Right now the problem students. Solve d cube minus 7d d dash square minus 6d dash cube into z, that is equal to sine x plus 2y plus e power x plus 2y, e power x plus 2y. So solution, what is complete solution students? That is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function. So it is already in the symbolic form students. Here I want to write directly auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation students here? d cube minus 7d d dash square minus 6d dash cube, that is equal to 0. D dash cube is equal to 0. Now put d is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1 students. D is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1. So we get here m cube minus 7m minus 6, that is equal to 0 students. Minus 6 is equal to 0 because d dash is equal to 1 students. So I want to find the root students here. So by trial and by Harder synthesis method, what is m cube coefficient students here? 1. M square coefficient, there is no m square coefficient students, so 0. M coefficient is minus 7. Constant is minus 6 students. So by trial and error, I want to take m is equal to minus 1 students. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Minus 1 into 1 students, minus 1. We get minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. We get minus 6. Minus 1 into minus 6 students, so 6. So one of the root is students, minus 1. Now this can be written as m square minus 2m minus 6 students. So, sorry, this is m. 3 into 2 students. 3 into 2, 6. So this can be written as m square minus 3m plus 2m minus 6 students. So we get here, taking common m, we get m minus 3. Here 2 students, we get m minus 3. Entire, we can take in common m minus 3. So we get here m plus 2. M plus 2. So what are the root students here? Minus 1, 3 and minus 2. Therefore, m is equal to minus 1, minus 2, 3 students. So what is complementary function? f1 of y plus m is minus student, so minus x, plus f2 of y plus, already we have minus here, minus 2x, plus f3 of y plus m3 is 3, so 3x. This is the complementary function, students. Complementary function. And then particular integral, students. Because I have two terms here, I want to take particular integral 1 and 2, students. 1 and 2. So particular integral 1 plus particular integral 2. Particular integral 2. This is particular integral 2, students. First I want to find particular integral 2, students, because it is easily defined. So particular integral 2 is 1 by d cube minus 7d dash square minus 6 d dash cube into e power x plus 2y, that is equal to 1 by d plus d by 1, students. So we get here 1 cube minus 7, d means 1, d dash square means 2 square, minus 6 into d dash cube, students, and that means 2 cube into e power x plus 2y. So that is equal to 1 by 1 minus 2 square, 4 into 7, 28, minus 2 cube means 8, 6 are 48, e power x plus 2y. That is equal to, you get minus 1, students, here, minus 27, minus 48, 27, 15, 75, students. You get here minus 1 by 75 e power x plus 2y. This is particular integral 2, students. I want to find particular integral 1, that is sin x plus 2y. Now I want to write here complementary function particular integral there, students. So what is complementary function? Complementary function is f1 of y minus x plus f2 of y minus 2x plus f3 of y plus 3x. Particular integral 2, students. 2, 1 minus 1 by 75 e power x plus 2y. Now let us see the particular integral 1, and particular integral 1, students. Particular integral 1, that is equal to 1 by d cube minus 7 d dash square minus 6 d dash cube into sin x plus 2y. That is equal to 1 by this d cube can be written as, students, d into d dash square minus 7 into d dash square minus 6 into again d dash cube, students. So this I can write d dash into d dash square into sin x plus 2y. That is equal to 1 by, come on, tell me, students, here, replace d square by minus 1 square, very good, d into minus 1 square minus 7d into d dash square, students, again minus 1 square, sorry, d dash square means minus 2 square, minus 6 d dash into again d dash square, students, minus 2 square into sin x plus 2y. That is equal to 1 by, we get here minus d, minus into minus plus 2 square, 4 into 7, 28, students, 28 Okay students, 28 minus d students, 28d plus 28d minus d students. We get here minus 27d. Minus 27d. Minus into minus plus 4. 4 6 are 24. 24 into d dash sine x plus 2. That is equal to, I want taking common 3 students here. 3. 1 by 3 into how many students here? Minus 9d plus 8d dash students. 8d dash into sine x plus 2y. X plus 2y. Now that is equal to 1 by 3 into, what is rationalized factor students? I want to take a d dash minus 9d students. What is rationalized factor? 1 by 8d dash minus 9d students. What is rationalized factor here? 8d dash plus 9d divided by 8d dash plus 9d students. 9d into sine x plus 2y. That is equal to 1 by 3. The numerator all is same students. A d dash minus 9 plus 9d divided by a plus b into a minus b students. So we get here 64 d dash square minus 81 d square students into sine x plus 2y. Sine x plus 2y. So that is equal to 1 by 3 into 8d dash plus 9d by 64 d dash square students minus 2 square minus 81 into d square students minus 1 square into sine x plus 2y. X plus 2y. Here see students here. 2 square means 4 students. 64 into 4. 16 to 56 students. This is minus 256. And minus into minus plus 81 students. 81 subtract. Then we get here 5, 7, 1. Minus 175 students. Into 3. We get here 15, 22, 525 students. So we get here finally minus, we get minus here, minus 1 by 525. See students here, the numerator value 8 into d dash, multiply students, sine x plus 2y. X plus 2y plus 9 into d sine x plus 2y. What about d students here? D means dou by dou x. D dash means dou by dou y. So this is nothing but minus 1 by 525 8 into, d dash means derivative with respect to y students. So cos x plus 2y, and again derivative of cos x plus 2y is, this derivative is 0. We get 2 here. 2 into 8, it is 16 plus here also students 9 into derivative of sin x plus 2y, cos x plus 2y into derivative of x is 1, so we get the same answer students. This is the particular integral students. Therefore, complete solution z is equal to, what is complementary function students? f1 of y minus x plus f2 of y minus 2x plus f3 of y plus 3x plus, minus 1 by 525 into 16 cos x plus 2y plus 9 cos x plus 2y. This is the required solution of given equation, students. This is the JNPK previous paper question, students. Please be careful, prepare carefully.